muted, Hayden, or my speaker's got funny?
Oh, sorry, I was talking. I was on mute the whole time.
I could see your thing moving as if you were talking. So.
Yeah, I was talking. I was saying I could have had a sleep for this last 30 minutes.
Yeah, absolutely.
I keep on putting on the mute just to, like, I don't want to hear you guys hear me coughing, spluttering. I keep forgetting to put it back. Another doji. $30 minutes. That double bottom made me a little bit not want to jump in just then. No wick on this bottom candle. So the CPI yesterday, how it pushed up and then came all the way down, very typical move. Go and backtest that and have a look at the last 16 months. And you'll find 14 of them have corrected the entire move of the initial push. And you usually get...
On the same day?
On the same day, yeah. And you normally get a 300 pip move. And then often...
On German, did you say?
Gold. Did the same thing on German, though, in this time. Basically, what happened was the print previous month was 6%. This time, the forecast was 5.1%. Actual number was 5%. So what they thought was, inflation's coming down faster than expected. Interest rates are having an effect. Start pricing in, perhaps it reduces the chance that they're going to hike rates by 0.25% next FOMC. That sends gold, stocks, everything to the moon. Then people come out and say, well, they've already said that it wasn't that a print like that is not really going to change their plan. They still want to do a 0.25% increase. But now what it does is it starts to increase the probability that interest rate cuts might come sooner than later, perhaps at the end of the year, not next year. So that still sends gold flying. And then they have a look at the real numbers when they take out food, rent, and gas, and inflation actually increased by 0.4% when they look at all the numbers, when they take out those things. So most of the drop was in food, gas, and rent. So when they take out those numbers to look at real inflation, there was actually an increase, which means there's still more work to be done, which then led to the counter move where it came back down. Then once you start getting momentum into the charts, you usually get a little bit of overshoot. And then, after that, after this initial wildness, price sort of just resumes its slow creep back up. That people, all the fear, uncertainty, doubt that's in the market regarding the US economy. Now people are still preferring to hold gold, so then it starts drifting up higher again. But that sort of explains how this whipsaw happened yesterday. Oh, came back. Where'd my alert's just under there. So this is a very typical CPI move. Very typical. For the last nearly year and a half. Good one to go back and have a look. So because of the spread, volume, and volatility, sometimes it can be difficult taking that move up. But that's the reaction to the news. trading the reaction to the reaction is easier. Not as glamorous, but it's easier. This is very interesting. It's in my blue zone. Let's see. Okay, so 5 more minutes. Still double bottom, no bottom wick, and a doji low. So I'm just still, I hope that London doesn't just take off to the upside. I do hope we get something to take out these points of interest, and then goes bullish, and I can try jump on that. Still the plan. It's going long. But could I get around shorts? That's the question. Could I think that we can have that? I could be completely wrong, and we're going bearish today from the London Open.
Correct that move up.
Well, the move, I think we're correcting. We're in with this. We have cleaner candles, so it makes sense. It makes it more easy to go up. A lot easier to go up than it is to go down. Going down, we're going to have to fight through this stuff and fight through this, and the move might not be as clean. If it goes up cleanly, it might come down cleanly, but it looks like it maybe it's starting to make its move early. Took the low and then closed. Oh yeah, that's a pretty strong candle, isn't it?
Well, that could be your new entry then. Down the bottom there.
This one here. Wait for the pullback still. Yeah, try a different browser, Sarah. See if that works. But it sounds to me that it's not on your side. I reckon if you did nothing, it would fix itself up eventually. But you need to double check with your account manager. Yeah, I think it's either not live or ready yet, or you need to use the new details if they've sent you new details. For what it's worth, I'll check out their help desk, but you know, sometimes they're not that helpful. Don't do this, German. I wonder where my espresso is. We need to receive the details, Sarah. I wonder if they just haven't set it up yet properly. I think Danny took yeah, I think it's Dave and Danny. I remember you guys saying you had the same issue.
Yeah, it took bloody ages because they screwed up the account when they created it for me. So it was about a week before I managed to get in.
I think that's what they've done with mine, because I can't even get a demo. I can get on my live.
Yeah, no, it's a good. They say about 2 or 3 days anyway, but then it was about a week after that for me.
Oh, your NAS is going well.
I'll just trade mine today then. Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
Come on.
Damn it. Did anyone take it? Let's see if it gives a pullback.
But I'm in NAS.
Yeah, the NAS is going all right. Look at that. Boom.
I got in that last night.
Oh, really? You've been holding this all the way through here?
Yeah. Through sleep.
Yeah. When I do that, I can't sleep that well. I'm always like, I wonder what's going on. Have a little peek. Hey Alan, how are you, mate? I think, yeah, it was not many people here before. I think London Open's too early now for people. Still finishing work in Aussie land. How's your finger, Alan? Here we go, 8 o'clock, London Open. Take out first point, second point of interest. Third point of interest. Okay. Now we've taken liquidity. Alrighty. Finally. Got some life here. I want to see a bullish candle now. Hopefully it's not one spike and down and go up. Oh, getting better. You saw the plastic surgeon yesterday. They were happy with the progress. Good. That's good. As long as you can control the mouse better, that's the main thing. Oh shit, come on, no. It was too rapid. Oh bloody hell, okay. It was too rapid. Sorry.
Gold's doing nothing.
Yeah. I noticed that before, like during March and April. Sorry, February and March. That London Open was pretty crappy for gold a lot of the time. All right.
I reckon you'll get another chance at this.
Yeah, I was like so close to pulling the trigger. I wanted. Now I'm thinking like on this area.
I like your little man on there. Is he from Star Wars?
Oh, oh shoot, there he goes. It was to make it do something, so he had to poke it with a stick. It's just dead. Yeah, bloody hell. Oh well.
That worked on the breakfast breakout though.
Yeah, that spike would have got you really concerned.
Hasn't really gone anywhere, man.
No.
20.
If you
points.
yeah, if we had got in, I kind of wanted this to finish and then go up. But in one candle, rinsed and drove up. I'm waiting for that candle confirmation to close. Too slow. Didn't give it for me this time. Entering around about this level would have given us, that easy risk reward. Well, I guess there's no point saying that because you didn't take the trade. Doesn't really matter if your analysis was right. It was pretty quick though, that like from here down to here, that was pretty rapid. So
Yeah.
even if I did enter that trade, there's a chance that I wouldn't have got this price anyway. I would have got slipped somewhere. Because you're right, it had like the distance between the spike and up here, 13 pips to the top. Oh, what have I done? Let me write my ruler. We're talking like a 25 pip range. Risking with slippage, let's say I would have risked 12 pips. We're only sitting at what, just over 1 to 1. I mean, yesterday, how many times? 3 trades yesterday I took. Over 1 to 1, break even. Over 1 to 1, break even. Over 2 to 1, took a little bit of profit on that one. I think I got up to nearly 3 to 1. And then the runner was still broke even. So did anyone get it from here though? That's the thing.
Yeah,
my execution was shitty. You got it, Glenn? Good one.
My entry was
Were you in it earlier, or did you take it on the pullback?
709.
701 or 9?
709. I got slipped as
Yeah, that's what I thought.
entered, but
So you're in more or less, yeah.
yeah, basically the open of the previous candle.
Yeah, I got slipped to there as well. The
Yeah.
opener.
Well, we're heading to the sunny land.
Run, run, run.
Hopefully we'll get a bullish day.
We're due for one.
Yeah, I need it for my stocks. They basically where they opened, and I think they finished a little bit lower yesterday, but they took everything out. I think you were just saying that, Hayden, when I was making coffee. They took
CPI does that, yeah.
Yeah.
Yesterday was a little bullish day, according to this. Yeah, CPI always does that. It's the majority of the time, vast majority of the time, it corrects the whole move straight away. Where's my coffee?
I'll have one if you're making.
Yeah, I will
No.
as well. I've just drunk mine.
The routine is that my partner brings me my espresso, and then I'll do the lunch. Her breakfast is already prepared. I'll make dinner. I'll do all the cooking, all the food.
It's the disadvantage of being single, but that's what kids are for.
Yes, yeah, yeah. After spending last week with nephews and nieces, I was starting to think maybe a niece is not the bad. No, maybe a daughter's going to be better than a boy.
my
The boys are grubby as. That's why I'm sick.
my youngest son, every time he walks in my office, I put my cup up and he said, "Why do you never even say hello? You just put your coffee cup up to me." So I have to make a conscious effort now.
The girls
Say
always
hello
come
as you
home,
lift it.
Was that many?
The girls always come home to their parents later, whereas the boys, they rack off, mate.
Yeah, mate. Yeah, I was thinking, like, I've always been set on having a son, and now I'm thinking, boys.
Me too, mate.
Boys
I've
are dirty.
got 2 daughters. I've got 2 daughters. I've got a granddaughter and another granddaughter on the way. And they've just got women all around me, mate. Even my dogs are female.
You looked after them, mate.
Look, it'd be nice to have a boy, mate, but it's whatever the man above dictates.
Yeah.
Right, I've got spares. You want one?
I've got 2 each, I share them.
I find out May, I think it's May 11. I have to check my phone. May 11 or May 16. That's when we'll find out.
Yeah,
Wow.
exciting.
The nephews, the soccer heads, and they keep getting annoyed when I call it soccer. But they're like, we're saying, come on, give us some names. They're like, Ronaldo, Neymar. Can we call it Luis Sanchez? I'm like, oh man, give me some good names. It's all soccer names. Gold stuck there. Come on, man. Just push up.
Got nothing.
Take the TP.
Where do you think gold would go?
Gold. I think it should take out 20. This one. 2032.
Yeah, I'm holding from CPI yesterday from the drop.
Oh, you took the drop after the drop.
Yeah, after the drop,
Man.
I went long. Yeah.
Yeah, I was taking care of some things. I was busy. Got caught up organizing things. I was just sort of watching it on the side. Come on. 3 more pips. 2 more pips.
You gonna short it?
No. Just for you, dude. Like, this is my intended target, the sun. That would have been a banger from in here, from these POIs to have taken it. See how important it is? Anyone even just watching and learning, how important it is to mark up, when it comes to volume, mark up your POIs for price to do the pullback too. We're never sure which one is going to react from, but we know that if you've got a valid POI, as in no wick bottom candle, doji, double bottom, those 3 things, they're all valid points of interest for liquidity. Now, if something is ripped down, taken 1, 2, 3, like it's picking up liquidity. Now, sometimes it's picked up so much liquidity, and I do notice that this time for German Open, it just shoots off. Just shoots off straight away. I was waiting for the confirmation, so I missed it, but it's important not to have taken the break. I mean, it's fine to take the break out, but you can get such better risk reward if we can just foresee these moves happening a little bit better. Yeah, you're right, Nash. Fathers always have an affection with daughters. Yeah. Daddy's girl. Come on, I wanted to get the sun. So, what is it? Sorry. So it looks like maybe it was reacting off of that wick, this blue line. It's just a reaction though. This is where the target should be. Well, it moved faster, but this was indeed correct.
You've got that big wick on the 15-minute, or is it just my terminal?
Yeah, no, that's the open wick. That's when it wicked down. That's when I wanted to enter from.
Yeah.
This
There's a
one.
1 minute wick.
Yeah.
No, at the top, to the top,
Oh,
to the left. Yeah.
on the 15-minute.
Yeah. You've got it as well.
This one.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that's CPI.
Yeah.
That's that V shape. This one.
A friend of mine, he puts a buy and a sell on CPI.
Oh, straddle trade.
Yeah. And yesterday, I think he took just shy of 20k. Just like, what?
Yeah.
I just can't do it.
You need to have a good broker with a good latency.
Yeah.
If you don't have good latency, you get slipped big time. I've seen people win so much money from that, but then seen it go bad a couple times, but more times than not, I've seen it work well. But it all comes down to how much slippage you got. Having the ability to cut it if it's not going very well. So this is a good sign for potential. This is a bearish candle, of course, bearish liquidity candle. Now, is this telling the truth, or is it a bit of a lie to us. So it all comes down now to structure. This is going to become a point of interest. If this is manipulation to push price down and we're pushing above it, then it's showing price could be bouncing off this level and keep on going a bit higher again. Or is this actually going to tell the story now and price is going to start to turn around? It's the first piece of the puzzle. Doesn't tell us the result, but it's a piece of the puzzle. So we can start to think about what this is starting to mean. We need to wait for confirmation of this, but this is an important candle to have a look and see what this means to things. Don't jump into sells or anything like that just yet. Still bullish momentum, but let's just see, because this can tell us a story about how far pullbacks can happen. Just want to get it hit the sun. Feel this wick fill 15 minute. Equal high to be taken 15,750 from back over here. Yeah, that's the exactly where I've got a point of interest. That almost a triple top. But these two here, these two candles here, exactly the same. This one here is 0.1 according to this. Maybe is exactly on the broker side of things. But these all very, very close to each other. These are equal, almost triple, quadruple top. So could put a big fat liquidity sticker on that one.
Yeah, that was enough for me. I shut that down.
You took it?
Yeah.
Took your PL?
Bit of meat. That'll do.
Good, mate. Congrats.
More the account size target I was going for, and that pushed me over the line for that, so that I was happy with that.
Good work, mate. Slowing down a little bit. What's Goldilocks up to? Hasn't taken my alert yet. Doji. Tens liquidity candle. Yeah. So I don't like buying it at 2020. Starting to form a bit of a base here. So I wonder if it's going to do something like that. Or is it not going to contain that? That's the question. Boom. Double bottom. See, I did do that. Sneaky things, man. Sneaky. Yeah, double bottom. Bit generating liquidity for later. Come on. One more pip and I'm happy. That's it. Did it. Tapped it perfectly. I don't know why, but when it hits my target, I always wanted to see it just like do that and absolutely melt. Did anyone else find that?
Yeah.
Like if it keeps on going up, I'm like not as satisfied. I just want to see it like hit my target and then just absolutely melt. Makes me feel like it never happens. Well, very rarely happens. But it's a satisfying feeling. Thinking just drop now. Been riding it all the way up. Now just want to see it just dump. But I'm happy if it keeps on going up. Now for Dommo's target. Dommo, sorry, not Dommo. Let's take out this triple top up here, 750. Let's move the sun up a little bit. Maybe it likes the sun. New target. Well, congrats. Very good. 2-1. Even if you got slipped your worst entry, still 2-1. Having got a better entry, should have been around 4-1. Ideally, my entry would have been somewhere around about here. If I'd seen, if it hadn't reacted so fast, and getting that bullish candle around here, maybe a bit higher, to be honest. But this was my idea. Come down, wick up, bullish, something bullish here. This is the spanner candle. This one, it moved too fast. But anyway. Doji. Fighting for its life, this 5-minute candle. Look at all these things. Yeah, gold's tough today. Tough for the open. How's Naz doing? Hey, Danny. Not Danny Fry. How are you, buddy?
Hey, man. How are you?
Very good.
You're nice. Was good the holidays?
Yes. Yeah. It felt like I was gone forever. So came back nice and refreshed. Thing I caught, gone from Australia to back to England. A few days in England, then to France for a week. Then from France back to England. The next day went to 2 days in England, then to Jersey Island and the Channel Islands to see family for Easter, and then back again. So many commutes to and from the airport. I'm just glad to unpack now. Unpack, have the laptop, have the screens up.
You miss more to be at home, right?
Well, I after when a lot of the time when we travel, well, I was traveling by myself, but when I'm going and seeing friends and family, unless you're staying in a hotel, the sleeping conditions are not, it's not your bed, it's not like a private room, all that kind of stuff. So it's really good, but it's also nice to be in your own space where you got your things. You don't have to live out of a suitcase. So after 6 weeks of it, I was just glad to unpack and just not have to think about where I'm going to put my stuff.
Yeah, to organize everything. Yeah, man, I know that feeling, bro. I have been travel for a year, completely a year. Every month or every 15 days or like this, I was in different place.
Yeah.
And after a year, I was completely losing, let's say, completely losing, because I didn't have any routine and like this, and I'm missing a lot of to be at home. In that year, I was only in total in the whole year, 14 days.
Yeah.
At home. So
gosh.
After that, I decided to to quit that job and just to be more time at home, because how you rest at home is nothing compared where you can rest in the best hotel or somewhere around.
Yeah.
Home is always home where you feel calm.
Yes, even the food choices. Like, I've got a very simple breakfast I love, and just not having like access to it.
Mhm.
Like, hotel breakfasts are good, but there's only so many you can eat.
Yeah. You can choose the best quality at hotel, but it's nothing compared with the breakfast or the food that you make at home.
Yeah, it's more the healthiness as well. I think if I eat at a restaurant or hotel, I always overeat because it's good. It's good food, but it's not the healthiest. So then
Yeah,
it's an accumulation of things as well. Then that you're not really ever you're not
eat
getting the
normally
nutrients
or
you need.
yeah, exactly.
But yeah, I think a sign of a good holiday is when you come home refreshed.
Yeah,
And that definitely was that.
you know, even with that, let's say in Suez or this handicap, we need to have a break. Our brain or body or mind need to have a break like this, because then you come with more energy and full power again to normal life.
Yeah.
To your normal routine.
Yeah, definitely. And doing this as well, you know, this is it's not really work. Enjoy it. So
you just took a break with trading, right? During the 6 weeks,
well,
or you was trading behind?
No, I was trading from the phone a little bit, taking some trades, but it was just too busy. So eventually I just gave up, and then I had like set the robot to do a few things, which is a bit easier. Just let it manage its own things for me. But other than that, like manual trading, I was keeping an eye on price, but I wasn't really trading. It was just too difficult to like get set up and have enough free time to concentrate and actually like watch a specific time. I was like, it's always caught up in either catching up with friends or family. And I feel bad if I go there and, you know, I say I want to have a couple hours to myself.
Of course. Yes.
So
Did you have it?
Yeah, and it was nice to take that sort of mental break from it as well.
Yeah, you know, I think it's necessary. You're going to holidays, it's better don't touch anything and don't look anything about the chart.
Yeah.
You have a break for, let's say, not maybe 6 weeks, if not maybe 15 days.
Yeah, you get rusty after 2 weeks time.
And you don't look anything about the chart. Then you come in with refreshed everything about your mind.
Yeah. Yep, agreed. You on anything here?
Yeah, I am looking. I think it's going to go to 25 slowly.
Yeah, I got my target around there.
I don't want to trust. Yeah, I don't want to trust this dodgy one in 30 minutes. That candle that closed bearish.
Yeah.
There is one.
Yeah, I've seen this one get filled, the wick, and then keep going. Like, look at just over here.
Yeah.
Yesterday's
still bullish
Asian
momentum.
Asian candle.
Exactly.
Big reaction, bearish candle. Next one. Just slowly started filling the wick. No bottom wick. I wanted to come down. I wanted to come down to 2019. I wanted to tap this Asian high.
Yeah.
And then look for entry.
Yeah. I think we'll come, but first, my idea is first I want to see that coming to 25, and from 25 do that you say, coming to the 19, at least to retest ASEAN high, or to the 20. It's almost the break of the structure, where is the whole group of wick, all of this group of wick there.
Yeah.
So 1950, 19, yes. So coming back to there and then continuation to the upside. So it's like the pullback to the breaker, the break structure.
So I would have liked to have been in this one, but I would have hated watching this. 20 pips for
slowly.
Yeah, for so long, just letting it drift up and down, up and down, up and down. Shows
This
there's no volume.
is this is like a mean killer. Like you know, you get in there and it's not 100% confident because you know that you have this week in 30 minutes and 15 minutes, I think. No, 15 minutes now.
Just 30
But you have FU in 15 minutes.
The red one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The red one is FU, very FU.
Yeah.
And make you think a lot in the way that okay, maybe
Good.
50% that yeah, it's 50% the chance that can go up to continue for the direction that is in my mind, but also can be reversal, you know.
Yeah.
Reject the 50% of the week and reject to the downside. So I didn't consider to trade there else.
I think this is starting to come to an end, this German 40. Double top again.
Yeah,
So could now, once it leaves this area, could be quick acceleration, and that quick move could be now the start of the buy to sell. Still, it's got this. The sun is sitting where that triple top is for German 40. Just want to see something.
Yeah, up to the
like that.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah, up there it should be liquidity, so
yeah.
So if the liquidity is taken, can come faster.
Can get the 25. There we go.
There is going to 25, but a push on goal, eh?
Yeah.
Daily current daily high.
Another push, come on. German as well, come on.
Yeah.
Right in both of them. Put this on this. Yes. Alrighty. German's done. Gold just stuttering a little bit. Congrats, Domo. Good pick.
German fly.
That was a good move for German. So if we're looking at German now, getting away from the lower time frames, going back to 30 minutes, just made a lot of sense now. Bigger picture thinking. Clean candles down, clean candles up. So mission accomplished.
So the level have been retested by 2 times with this triple top.
Yeah.
And also with the previous week. So now should break and quick fill to the upside.
Yeah, I like this push down in the last 30 minutes before the German Open, and then just getting faded out completely. That was a good sign that we're going to continue going up.
Also strong close with that candle after the bearish one.
Yeah, definitely. And where did gold go? Gold's over here now. Now it's gold's turn to rally. The last 7 minutes, that's when it finally did the little, I mean, still not much for gold, 30 pips, 30 something pips, but it took a while. No, 26 pips.
Yeah, it's 30 bits already. What I am looking is the fake out of Asian high. I see after February, March was working fine. I don't know if you saw the video, but I share with a few hunter, I think.
Which one was this? What date?
I will check. I will send you again. But basically, it's about my strategy. I got test a lot, and was the first strategy that I created in 1 minute.
Yeah.
We get from 7:30 London time to 8. Between 7:30 to 10 a.m. London time.
Yeah.
If we get between 15 to 30 pips, move to the Asian high or Asian low.
Yeah.
It's going to be the fake out of Asian high or Asian low. Then the price should go to the middle of Asian, to the 50% of Asian, or even to the bottom of Asian in this case. And same in the opposite.
Oh, was this the video that had, there was the first time you did it had music in the background and then you did it again?
Yes.
That was when I was.
A new one without music.
You have made it?
Yeah, I will try to.
Yeah, find it, because that was when I was going to Australia, and then I didn't see it afterwards. But yeah, I'd be interested in seeing it.
Yeah,
I can go back and probably tag me in it if you find it.
Yeah,
Otherwise, I can go back and find
now.
it. I remember that that video came out as I was actually at the airport.
Yes.
Because Danny describes also, Hayden, in that video about the fake out between that time again in NY to the London lower high, right, Danny?
Yes, that one.
Yeah.
Between
really
10:30 and 12 UK time.
7:30 to 10.
Yeah.
7:30 to 10.
NY time, Hayden.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, because normally I haven't done a ton of back testing for gold for London Open way back, but it was just not really sticking. Like I was finding it really difficult for my timing to trade it reliably. So then the move I was really focusing on was that like late London Open, where it pulled back 50% of the London range. And I find this bit, gold was really sluggish around this time. Look, we're about to hit that. If I can hit that, I can just go on my day easily. Need to see that hit.
Yes.
See my tag. Come on.
Which level is that?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. There you have it.
Yeah, it was. It doesn't look like it's a perfect. When I stretched the candles out, see it's like a slightly above, but it was the 30-minute doji high. Oh, sorry. Yeah, no, 15 minutes. Let me see, 15. Yeah, 15-minute doji high. This one here, that was the target. Wanted to see it pull back to my alert and then push up.
Yeah, beautiful one. The structure is working very well.
Yeah. Cool. I see that.
The simplicity.
Oh, that's all you need. Keep it simple, huh? Just keep it simple.
It's basic like that. We complicate the.
We do. Yeah, indeed. Indeed we do. And it's like the managing during it as well.
I already sent you in the chat, bro. In the Zoom chat.
Yeah, I see it. Cool.
Okay.
Is
so
it
you can share with everyone that you want.
Yeah, cool. There's a guy in the chat that's asking in the YouTube chat as well. I'll put it in.
Yes, yeah, I got you now. Yeah, yeah.
Is that all right? Is that all right? Just put it in there as well.
No. It's okay. You can
It's
share
okay?
with the one that you want. Yes.
Okay.
No problem. You can share with the community on everything.
Okay, cool. I'll just put it in the chat now. I can't put it in as a link, otherwise I think the chat doesn't like it. But you just have to put www in front of it. There you go, demo. Hopefully that works.
Wait.
Alrighty. Well, I've got to jump out. I've got a meeting at 9 o'clock my time. So I think overall, I mean, I sort of navigated my way around not taking the trades. I mean, not that I'm not taking them, but it didn't come to my level. But yeah, this analysis was correct. That's the main thing. Cool. Alrighty. Well, as a lot of you guys know as well, that I'm going to do that. Going to move to the premium service. Or going to open it up for people to join again from outside these communities. So I've already spoken to a few of you guys. I'll put some details up, but they'll be starting next month. Live streams will continue on YouTube, so there's no pressure to join or anything like that. But it's just more for me to do more of these not private things. Just do more content, more specific content, because I know a lot of you guys know about my situations with family, kids, other work commitments, all that kind of stuff. So I'm just trying to make things more regimented. So time's going to be at a premium with a bloody little one on the way. So I'll put some details if you guys want to join. Great. If you don't want to join, the streams will continue, all that kind of stuff. So I'll put some details up here on the YouTube audience so you guys can see. Website is in the details on my about section. And then all right. So with that, I'll leave the stream running first for a few minutes, but I'm going to close Zoom, and I'm going to jump into a new meeting in 15 minutes. So I'm going to find my coffee. I don't know where it's gone to. Go wake her up. But anyway, appreciate you guys being here. So I will see you guys later on, huh? New York session. Sound good?
Good on you, mate.
See you, bro. Take
Trade
care.
safe. Don't have a risk.
Blessing to your new goal, new journaling.
Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you. Looking forward to it. It's going to be a challenge, but I'm looking forward to it. Challenge is good.
Yeah, very good for that.
Going to have to make a little trader out of it.
Yeah, also, when you get famous, remember friends. Always I say that.
Yeah.
Nice, bro. Happy to see you to start the journey.
Yeah. Alrighty. Well,
Okay.
have a good evening, better night, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.